Hello friends, welcome back to our channel on statistics. So we are discussing CUET statistics related. So this is lecture number 5. Okay. So in this lecture number 5 we are discussing giant distributions theory. So we already discussed what is univariate, then standard distributions related to the univariate. Now we will discussing about giant distributions. Again same scenario, 6 or 7 questions will repeat from 6 of 7. If you see the syllabus, joint, marginal, conditional, distribution function of random variables, product movements, correlation, simple linear regression, independence of random variables, limit theorems, weak law of large numbers, central limit theorem. So here from easy to decide that questions also. There is mainly 6 or 7 questions will come from this unit. Out of 6 or 7, correlation is 1, regression is 1 or 2 also, weak law of large numbers is 1, central limit theorem 1. So 4 questions fixed here. No doubt. Correlation, regression, weak law of large numbers, central limit theorem 4. There is no doubt. And again, from these, joint distributions or marginals or conditional distributions. Here main point come, they will give you some giant, so we will discuss in the slide. Okay. So how the questions will come? They will give you like one giant PDF. Okay, then we need to find the marginals of x or marginals of y. So how you find marginal of x? It is very simple. If you want to the marginal of x, then just substitute the y limits, then you will get the x function. If you want the marginal of y, just substitute x limits, then you will get the x function. Marginal is over. So what about conditional case? Conditional also again same. If x given y is there, so what you will write? X intersection y given y. So here again x intersection part will come. Here marginal part will come. It is over. Okay. So next here conditional expectation is there. Conditional variance will be there. So these two are very important. Out of these two, maximum one questions will become. There is no doubt is. Okay. In the problems we will discuss in detail how the formulas will come. This is nothing but regression of x on y. Okay, we will discuss that one. So next is correlation. So again from correlation compulsory one question will come. So which type of question will come? We don't know. Just see the syllabus. What about correlation? So in the correlation mainly we have three types, right? Positive, negative, zero. Next we have measures. Pearson, Bowley. Next, yes, Pearson, Bowley. Maybe I need to remember. Okay. In the correlation mainly we have some, yeah, Spearman rank. Three measures will be there. Out of three measures, maybe they will ask you one question, or they will ask you like bxy, byx. Maybe this will come from regression. So here also they will ask you find the r from these from the given these 2 points. Next we have regression, right? In the regression, no doubt from simple linear regression, one question will come. They will give some values of x comma y. Then they will ask you fit the regression model y equal to something where some predicted value of y equal to 7 or 8 based on the data. This type of questions will become from simple linear regression. Else they will ask you like variance of beta naught or variance of beta 1, covariance beta naught comma beta 1, expectations means same like value will come. Okay. So this type about regression. Then if you come to the weak law of large numbers, so again there is total very huge theory is there for weak law of large numbers. There is a convergence in probability, convergence of random variables topic also mix up here. Then central limit theorem means we all are know. What is central limit theorem? If n become a large, then every distribution converted to normal distribution. Okay, that is standard normal. So we discuss all these stuff in the this part like MCQ part. Okay, yeah, this much is there. Simple linear regression, independence of random variable, limit theorems. Okay, this much is important about giant distribution theory. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding theory, you can comment us. If we will explain you. Okay, thank you.